So I'm sitting here drinking coffee, checking my email. Usual morning, getting ready for work. Again, coffee, love it. And open up my email, look at it, and got an unexpected message from Bubba. I was like, all right, cool. Maybe it's something with the donation goal or something. And then it says channel trailer. I think I'm pretty sure it was yesterday where he put out a video and it looked really good. So I think I put a comment on there. It was like, I'm going to hire you to make my channel trailer. And what was it, less than 24 hours or so later, I get this. All I can say is really thank you. I appreciate it. This was amazing, and hope you guys enjoy this because I'm going to be using it from here on out. Thank you, Bubba. You're a great person.